Okay, in today's lesson, we're gonna talk about articles. We have two types of articles, definite and indefinite, to describe nouns. So if we're talking about something in general, a singular noun, we would use a, an. I'm going to eat an apple. An apple. So we have a choice. Lots of apples. I'm going to eat an apple. It means one apple. I'm going to eat an apple, or I'm going to eat one apple. But if we're talking about something specific, I'm going to eat the green apple. So it means specifically this one, the green one. I'm going to eat the green apple. So if we talk about an, it's general, one of many. I'm a teacher. I want to buy a car. He's eating an apple. So when we use an, we use it before a word with a vowel, A, E, I, O, U, or a vowel sound like our, because the H is silent. But I'll get to that in a minute. Do you have a bike? Do you have a bike? She is an old woman. I'm reading a book. So it's general, one of many books. An old woman. Old, it means that you have been alive a long time. Your age is quite high. An old woman. Do you have a bike? So these are all general. But if we talk about specific things, one, something that there is only one of, or the thing that we are talking about specifically, we will use the. Tokyo is the capital of Japan. So each country only has one capital city. Tokyo is the capital of Japan. The new Chinese restaurant is very good. So we are talking about a specific restaurant. We like the blue car. So maybe there are many cars, but we like the blue one. The girl in the red dress is beautiful. I'm reading the new J.K. Rowling. The new book by J.K. Rowling. So we are talking about something specific. Let's compare. We use an if the word starts with A, E, I, O, U. Or if the word sounds like A, E, I, O, U. For example, our, because the H is silent, so it makes the OU sound. An apple. An egg. An ice cream. An open door. An umbrella. An hour. It means 1 hour. So when we use an or a, we are counting one thing. Or if you use a quantifier like a group of students, then that's okay. We use a if the word starts with any other sound. So any other sound except for A, E, I, O, U, we will use a. For example, a ball, a jacket, a hat, a uniform. Now you see here the The word starts with the letter U, but the sound is U, not O. Uniform. So we say a uniform. A water bottle. A yellow shirt. Don't use the with countries or cities. For example, I'm from England. And yes, there is only one England. But when we talk about countries and cities, we don't say the. The England is incorrect. England. I live in China. Not I live in the China. And don't use the with things in general. She likes the pizza. Well, okay, I like pizza too. But I don't say the because it's just something I like. There are lots of pizzas, right? I like all pizza. She likes pizza. She likes the pizza from Tony's restaurant. So that is specific. I like fried chicken from KFC. So I can say, I like the chicken from KFC. That's okay. Okay, so let's test together. Complete the sentences with a, an, or the. Or sometimes if the article doesn't need to be used, just leave it blank. So let's do it together. Leonardo is, actor. Actor. So this is an occupation, a job, beginning with a. So we say an actor. Jim plays basketball after school. A basketball? No. So we don't need to use any. So that we can just leave it blank. We don't need to use a, an, or the. Just leave it blank. Jim plays basketball after school. My new office has window. So here we can see that there's no S, right? So it only means one window. So we say a window. My new office has a window. Only one though. There's problem with the equipment. There's problem with the equipment. So here we would say there's a problem. There's one problem. Oh, let's go back. Yeah, here we go. There's a problem with the equipment. Number 5. Only light in the classroom isn't working. So let me think here. Only one light in the whole classroom isn't working. So you can't see anything, right? Oh dear. The only light in the classroom isn't working because we're talking specifically about that one light. He has interesting job. Okay. Job. Interesting. So this is adjective noun, but we're talking about one job. So we need to use an article. Not a because it has an I. He has an interesting job. We've been to France 3 times. So remember, for a country or a city, we don't need to use an article. So we can leave this one blank. We've been to France 3 times. Light blue jeans I bought yesterday are too small. So we're talking about something specifically. So we're going to use the. The light blue jeans I bought yesterday are too small. Martha hates vegetables. Vegetables. So all vegetables. Martha hates blank vegetables. We don't need to use an article. And last one, number 10. My friend said it was best movie of the year. The number one best movie of the year. Oh. Best movie and best movie? The best movie. The best movie. Of course. Because when we use best is the superlative form. It means the most of something. So we're talking about something specific. My friend said it was the best movie of the year. Okay, see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.